Hey guys, what's up? By the way, Miro, and I changed my name to Axtro. I like this name as well as I hope you guys also like this name. And I need to say sorry for my inactive, but now I can upload 5 videos per week. And I really need to say thanks to my best friend WeekBangs for my new intro and join my Discord server. If you don't have Discord, no problem. I gave link in description. If you are new to this channel and don't know who am I, no problem, I will tell. I am a graphic designer and a gamer. If you guys need any help or have any doubts, please comment below or join my server. Okay guys, now we came to end of this video. Thanks for watching guys. Please like and share. If you still did not subscribe our channel, please subscribe now.
Then he got scared.